Hi, welcome back. So right now we're going to look at how to do some order operations involving negative integers. So let's look at part A. We have 10 plus 6 multiplied by negative 4. Now order operation states that we have to do this multiplication before we do the addition. So let's solve for that, shall we? We still have our 10 and our addition, but now we're looking at 6 times negative 4. So 6 times 4 would be 24, but 6 times negative 4 would be minus 24. Now if you remember from our previous video that when we add a negative, we are effectively just subtracting. So this becomes 10 minus 24. And 10 minus 24 is negative 14. Let's look at B. So for B we have minus 3 multiplied by 7, and then take away 5. Okay, so we need to do the multiplication before we do the subtraction. That means that this becomes minus 3 times 7. 3 times 7 is 21, so negative 3 times 7 is minus 21. And then we take away 5. Now, minus 21 minus 5 is minus 26. Alright, let's do another one for practice. So what we have here is A minus 5 times minus 6. And then we add 8. Now, order operation states we have to do the multiplication first. So let's do that. Minus 5 times minus 6. A negative times a negative is a positive. So we just have to do 5 times 6, which is 30. Now we can add the 8 and we get 38. For B, we have 15 minus 8 times negative 2. We have to do the multiplication first, and we should point out that we can rewrite this as 15 plus minus 8 multiplied by negative 2. This way we can see that we're actually trying to do a negative multiplied by a negative. This is completely optional, you don't have to write it this way, so just do what you prefer. Okay, so we're still going to add the 15 plus. We know we need to do negative 8 times negative 2. Well, negative 8 times negative 2 is just 16. Now we have 15 plus 16, which is going to be 31. Alright, so this is the last one in this video, so give them a pause and see if you can solve them yourself, and then I'll solve them in a moment. Alright, let's get started. So with A, we had minus 9 times 3 plus 12. We have to do the multiplication first. So let's do that. Minus 9 times 3 is negative 27. Now we can add back the 12. So it's still going to be negative. When we add back the 10, we get negative 17. Add back the 2, we get negative 15. For B, we have 20 plus 4 times negative 7. Alright, we need to do this multiplication first. So 20 plus 4 times negative 7 is going to be negative 28. A plus a negative is just a negative, so we do 20 minus 28 and we get negative 8. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful and I will see you in the next one.